Hello and welcome to your third grade science classroom. This video is going to talk about the ins and outs of this website and what your project will be for the next 3 weeks. So if we scroll down over here, here's a little just quick welcome message. When this video is done being recorded, it will be posted right over here and it will be the first thing that you view. After you view the video, you're going to head over here to our Schedule tab. So this page tells you the schedule for the next 3 weeks. So over here I have the dates and times for each module. Every module will run about 1 week, so from Monday to Sunday. So Module 1 will be from Monday, August 1st to Sunday, August 7th at 11:59 p.m. Module 2 will run from Monday 8th to Sunday the 14th. Module 3 will run from Monday, August 15th to Sunday, August 21st at 11:59 p.m. It is very important that you get in all assignments completed by Sunday, 11:59 p.m., whether it's on the 7th, the 14th, or the 21st. Over here is just a quick note about extensions. If you need an extension, please make sure that you are letting me know before the week ends, and extensions usually are not a problem. After you've taken a look at your schedule, you're actually going to begin the first module. So if you go over here, you kind of just hover your cursor where it says Severe Weather Report Project. You're going to go right down to Module 1. And the format for every module is very similar. So whether it's Module 1, 2, or 3, as soon as you click on the page, you're going to see the date or the schedule that it runs for. And you're just going to get a quick little welcome note showing you or just telling you what you might expect during this week. So for example, in Module 1, you're going to learn and explore content about weather and the water cycle. Right under that welcome note, you're going to find your objective for the week. Please make sure you are taking a look at this objective because it helps your brain really understand what it is that you're going to be completing and the why you're completing it. So below the objective, we have a Module 1 checklist. So this is to ensure that you are not forgetting any steps and that you are completing any and everything that you need to. Please make sure you are taking time to look at the checklist before and after each module to make sure you've completed everything. And then right after the checklist, this is where we begin to see our resources. So the way that this is going to work is I want you to view the resources in the order that they're presented. So I don't want you to hop over here and then hop down here and then back up here. I want you to make sure that you're doing everything in the correct order. So the first thing that you're going to see on every module is this week's video. So this week's video is basically just talking about what you're going to be doing in the module, just giving you a deeper dive and hopefully answering any questions that you might have. After you view the video, you are going to begin the module. So every task has this little header here. And then it has a description. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to look at the header, look at the description, and then complete that activity. Okay? Almost all the modules have, or at least Module 1 and 2 have this comment box for you to comment, and you can view other people's comments in the class. And then most all the modules have videos for you to watch. Okay? Definitions for you to read. Articles that you can look at to get a better understanding and gain more background knowledge, some more videos, a game, and an exit ticket. Okay, so this exit ticket for Module 1 is actually a Padlet, and again, you can also see other people's responses on the Padlet as well. And all the in-depth information is in the module. Okay. And then Module 2 and 3 have a very similar format. So you have your schedule here, your welcome note, the objective, your checklist, and then the resources. Okay? So now that I've kind of gone over what the format is of the website, I do want to share what you are going to be doing. So you are essentially creating a severe weather report project. So what that means is you are going to be choosing a severe weather to focus on, and you are going to make a report about it. You're going to tell me what it is, some facts about it, and essentially how to stay safe. So I have here an example, and this example is also posted on the website in Module 3 for you to look at. But this is just an example. So I made a report on earthquakes. Okay? And again, all the specifics and what you need to have in the project are in Module 3. I've created a video and an example. So over here, I'm giving the definition of earthquakes. Okay, give you a second to look at that. After I've introduced earthquakes, I talk about what the wind conditions are like during that earthquake. I'm talking about characteristics and facts of the earthquake and safety precautions, how to be safe during an event of an earthquake. So this is basically your final project. And the way that you're going to be able to get the information to put in your project is through the modules. So every module you have work, you have readings, videos, assignments that you are going to complete in order to get enough information to make your report. Okay? Everything you should know, all videos and documents are linked, or embedded, so you would just be able to click play here. Same thing over here. This one, you just need to click on the link over here. Here's the link to the capture sheet and things like that. Okay? So this video was just kind of explaining what your project is going to look like at the end and how the website is set up. Again, every module has a video for your convenience for you to look at if you're having any trouble, and it also explains what you're doing for each week in depth. Okay, so that's why I didn't want to make a super specific video right now because every module already has one. Okay, I hope you guys, I hope this was helpful, and I wish you guys all the luck. If you ever need me, please do not hesitate to give me an email at naveenriscala@gmail.com, and it also is at the bottom of the page. Thank you so much.